Hey everybody, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. This is a new year full of new opportunities, and I have a new opportunity, and it's right in this box. It's heavy. This is my unboxing video for a new opportunity I have working with the brand Sympli clothing. If you're unfamiliar with Sympli, they are a Canadian company. They specialize in doing wonderful pieces that are classics that will fit into your wardrobe and you will wear for a very long time. Very easy wear pieces, easy to mix and match and to put on, to take off. So their clothing is perfect for today's mature woman because we want things that are stylish and that are easy to wear and that we don't have to fuss over. And then all the fun can come in the accessorizing and mixing and matching the different pieces. So stay tuned. I'm going to open this box and we're going to have some fun and see what's inside. So all of the items that I'll be sharing with you today are part of the new Essentials collection that is being launched online on January the 16th. And moving from winter into spring, it's lovely to see fresh new designs. So let's open this box and see what we've got. So here's the first item. It's the Go-To Tank Relaxed in Black. Sometimes when you get things online, they're all scrunched up and basically look like hell when you open it up. So it's nice to see things nicely folded. And I'll show all of them to you hanging up at the end, so you'll get a good sense of them. This is a nice relaxed tank, and you'll be seeing lots of them in the videos that I have coming up. That's lovely. Let's move on. These are the narrow barrel-shaped pants. Now, I'm sitting down, so you can't really see. It's not fair, but super excited about these. Nice waistband on them. And the barrel shape is so hot right now. And I think rather than wearing them in jeans, it's better to wear them in a lovely material like this, especially coming into the summer. So the next item is a white tank top, and this is in the shorter version. Also relaxed fit, but a shorter style. And I'm going to tell you in an upcoming video why I think it's great to have both versions. I think it really optimizes your capsule wardrobe if you have the option to have a shorter style and a longer style. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe and you'll see me style both those tank tops in different ways and let you know why it's so practical. Look at how cute is this. This is a cute little cropped vest. I love this piece with the little pockets in the front. Layering is so fantastic, and I don't think it matters where you live, but I live somewhere where it's very rainy and the seasons change, you know, on the drop of a hat. And so we layer a lot here on the West Coast. It's a very practical thing to do, so having layering pieces is wonderful. This is navy. So as you can see, I love navy. I wear it all the time. It's a very classic color. I actually prefer it in the spring and summer to black, and I think it looks great on all skin types. This is just a nice little perfect relaxed tee. Go with the super cute tee is this wonderful striped midi skirt. So you see its stripes are going this way, which is very interesting, right? And is also very flattering. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how petite ladies like me, I'm 5'3", can wear the midi skirt and it still looks great on, and lots of ways to style it. So stay tuned for that. So I opened this up and I thought to myself, oh yeah, this is a great little jacket. Look at that. And it has wonderful sleeves on it. I don't know if you can see. I'll be showing that to you lots, but definitely a piece you could dress up or dress down, which I love. The silver makes a little bit of sparkle, so it almost acts like its own jewelry, and I love that. So I'm excited to style this one, and I know I will wear it a ton. So next we have a gilet, which is basically a vest. This one's in brown, got the great pockets again, and it's got a little bit of a edgy style to it with the edging you can see there. A very nice piece, also with pockets and in a great chocolate brown color. It's also a neutral, very versatile, so we'll have fun with this too. So that's everything the wonderful people at Sympli have sent me for now. I'm so excited to get started styling all these pieces. I'm going to show them to you right now up on the wall so you can get a sense of what's coming up, but I want to thank you for joining me for this unboxing video. It's always like Christmas. I love it so much. Stay tuned for the styling videos coming up. So there's our beautiful skirt that we're going to be trying in the background. And this is Millie. As always, I have my puppy dog help me say goodbye. This is Millie. She's 6 months old now. Yes, I love you too. Oh, I love you too. Yes. Say bye-bye to the people. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye. See you next time.